this video, I will show you how you can connect your Ubisoft account to your Steam account. Now first, what you need to do is you need to go into ubisoft.com, go to this website. From in here you should see something that says download Ubisoft Connect. You're going to click on this and you should come to the download page. From in here, you're going to get the download file, run it, and download Ubisoft Connect. Now once that's done, you should have this. This is Ubisoft Connect. Create an account. Probably you already have a Ubisoft account. Then press here on your name, go into settings. And from in here, you're going to press on other. And in the bottom, you should see account linking. You're going to activate this just like this, close, and then exit out of Ubisoft Connect. Close the window and exit the application. I'm just going to keep it open for the sake of the video. We'll close it. Then you're going to go to your Steam. Preferably you'll close Steam as well and then log in. And then go to library. And from in here, you're going to select a Ubisoft game. And then click on it and press play. And then once you press play, it's going to ask you if you want to connect the Ubisoft Connect to the Steam. And then you just press accept. That's how you do it, guys. It's super simple. Thank you for watching.